YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to remove this hot spot on this wooden table. As you can see, somebody put a hot plate on here while they microwave it. It's a burn mark right here as well. I'm sure you can see it. And then right here. It's hard to see. You can see the white spot right there a little bit. And that's a marking right there. So you can see a better angle. Yeah, right here. It's like a round plate. White spot here, here. So this is the hottest spot right here. So all you need to do is use this is a super fine steel wool, and you need to use your elbow and grease on this area. And normally I like to use like a mineral oil, or if you don't have mineral oil, you can use any cooking oil. So I'm just gonna use this like a circular motion, okay? And as you can see, the white spot right here is already gone. So that looks like a scratch or something. Oh, there you go, it's gone. Yeah, if you got a stubborn burn mark, you just need to go over one more time. We're gonna work on this one right now. Okay, it's not coming out. So yeah, with this method, it's pretty simple and easy. It's like a magic. See, got better. Just need to go back and then do it again until it's completely gone. Yeah, I'm not going to turn off the camera. Or you guys gonna say something I edit or do something about this. So yeah, I'm doing a little bit harder to get the spot out. And as you can see, you can tell right away it's working already. Okay. Look at that. So I need to, right here kind of sticky, so I need to get it clean off. And if I use a mineral oil, this thing is gonna look like brand new. So yeah, I'm going to get some mineral oil on here and then wipe it clean. Well, I'm going to use a napkin. This is the white mineral oil Ultra Pro that I use. I'm going to put some over here on the napkin. So, apply here. Look at that. Now the table looks like brand new. So there's a spot right here. You might want to go over again with the steel wool. This one is old, so you might want to get a new one, okay? And you can go over again until the lighter white spot eventually will go away. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.